Hi, my name is Shuaib and I will guide you how to save your audio or music on Instagram. For that, just open Instagram and click on the name on the music as you can see right here. Now here you'll see there is an option to save the music. Click on that to save it. Now it will be saved in your Instagram account, and whenever you will need to add a new story, it will you can use that audio as well, just like I'm just quickly capturing an image. Let's say I got this image and now I want to use that music. What you gotta do is tap on the second sticker. Now here choose music option and now click on saved on the top, and here you can see the music that we have saved earlier is showing here. Click on that. I hope you liked the video, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.